Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you the treasures of the Vatican Museum from the inside. We have booked our tickets online with a skip the line option. Then you arrive at the designated location, a staff member will guide your group, allowing you bypass any queues. Upon entering the Vatican, you will need to go through a security check similar to that of an airport. Your bags and cameras will be scanned, and you will also pass through a metal detector. After the security check, you will receive the map and should be prepared for a lot of walking.
So we just came in and our guide said that there is a shortcut in Basilica. So we need to ask, if I'm gonna spell it correctly, Scala Regia, and they will show how to reach Basilica with a shortcut with no queues. Scala Regia. I hope so I'm gonna remember that. If no, I'm gonna trace back this video. So yeah. Big boat.
Stepping on the grass is not allowed, so if you're considering lying down on the grass for a rest or to take some nice pictures, unfortunately that's not possible. The security team will promptly ask you to step off it if you attempt to step onto it.
I just need a reason. I just need to know what's on your mind. Tell me what you're needing. You can call my name, I'll be around. Dum da da, dum dum da da, dum da da, dum dum da da, dum dum. The sky is falling, dum dum da da, dum dum da da, dum da da, dum dum da da. That will keep you safe and sound. Dum da da, dum dum da da, dum da da, dum dum da da, dum dum. The sky is falling, dum dum da da, dum dum da da, dum da da, dum dum da da. That will keep you safe and sound. Dum da da, dum dum da da, dum da da, dum dum da da, dum dum. The sky is falling, dum dum da da, dum dum da da, dum da da, dum dum da da. That will keep you safe and sound. I just need a reason. I just need to know what's on your mind. Tell me what you're needing. You can call my name, I'll be around. Dum da da, dum dum da da, dum da da, dum dum da da.
The Vatican does have a tradition of using carriages or vehicles for the ceremonial and transportation purposes, especially during significant events and processions. However, it's important to note that these carriages are primarily used for symbolic and historical purposes rather than for everyday transportation. One of the most and well-known carriages in Vatican is the Papal. The Papal is a specially designed and often heavily armored vehicle used by the Pope during the public appearances and papal visits. It allows the Pope to be visible to the crowds while providing a level of the security and protection. The design of the Pope Mobile can vary, but it typically includes a transparent enclosure or canopy, allowing the Pope to be seen while remaining shielded from the potential threats.
We just finished with the Vatican Museum. Now we're trying to get into the Basilica. So hopefully there will be no queues. My little one exhausted. Are you exhausted, miss? Oh, my poor baby. Be strong. Not much left. Just a Basilica. We survived. We survived.
As well, don't forget to send a postcard to your friends and family members from the Vatican. This is beauty and spirituality of the Vatican City through the postcards, preserving memories for the generations.
So by now, we have completed 3 days in Rome, 3 nights. And today we have the day when we're gonna move from Rome to Venice by the train. So we are one of the biggest train station in Europe. Hopefully will be everything smooth. And we arrived a bit early, so we are walking, walking through the shopping centers. And my monkey trying to get a good deal. Yeah, so that's gonna be first trip by the train. And we need to have the deal with Daddy, okay? Daddy is the boss. No, with your money. You have earned it through the summer, so now you see, she don't want to share her own money. She's trying to have the deal to spend my money. No way. So yeah, Miss, you will have the first ever trip by the train, isn't it? Or am I lying? Have you ever moved with a train? Miss Gabi, did you ever have moved with a train? You were traveling with a train before? No, yeah. So that's gonna be their first time.
Mom, you can marry me.
Yes, I do.
No. Go already.
Yeah, I hope so. All will be smooth. Stay tuned. We gonna spam you with all possibilities.